is prions. These are the prions. So generally prions are the chlorofluorocarbons. Fluorocarbons. It is CFC. Chlorofluorocarbons. Chlorofluorocarbons. Carbon compounds. Fluorocarbon compounds of methane CH4 and ethane C2H6. So prions are the simply chlorofluorocarbon compounds of methane and ethane. So some examples of the prions. So number one is it is CHF2Cl. CHF2Cl. So it is F, it is F, it is Cl, and it is H. So then first carbon with two fluorines and one chlorine. So its name is mono means one, monochloro difluoromethane. So its IUPAC name is 1-chloro 1 comma 1 difluoromethane. 1-chloro 1 comma 1 difluoromethane. So now second example of the prion is the CF2Cl2. CF2Cl2. So its arrangement is carbon, it is fluorine, it is fluorine, it is chlorine, and it is a chlorine. So its common name is dichloromethane. Difluoro difluoromethane. So its IUPAC name is 1 comma 1 dichloro 1 comma 1 difluoroethane. So now third examples of the prions is it is CF2, it is CL2 CF2CCl2 with two hydrogens. So CH2F2 or CHF and CHCl2. CHF2 CHCl2. So number of carbons are 2. So its root word is ethane. So its simple representation is C single bond C. It is fluorine. It is fluorine. It is hydrogen. It is chlorine. It is chlorine. It is the hydrogen. So now fluorine with carbon, chlorine with carbon. So it is first carbon, it is the second carbon. So its IUPAC name is 1 comma 1 difluoro 2 comma 2 dichloroethane. Its name is 1 comma 1 difluoro 2 comma 2 comma 2 dichloroethane, because two carbons are present in this compound, so it is the ethane. 1 comma 1 difluoro 2 comma 2 dichloroethane. So these are the prions. So the next last polyhalogen compound, so that is the sixth polyhalogen compound is DDT. So its common name is trichloro. So first of all, it is preparation method. preparation method of the DDT is, it is prepared from the mixture of chlorobenzene C6H5Cl and chloral CHLOROAL, chloral. So it is chloral is the CCl3CHO, it is the chloral. So now chlorobenzene, so it is the chlorobenzene. Let us consider 2 moles of the chlorobenzene. It is treated with CCl3 CCl3CHO. So on strong heating of this mixture, it gives the DDT. So now the structure of the DDT is So now it is carbon. It is the 2 phenyl groups. So this phenyl group with 1 chlorine, this phenyl with 1 chlorine. So carbon valence is a tetravalency 1, 2, 3 and it is 4. So second carbon with Cl, it is Cl and it is a Cl. So now it is the DDT. The octet compound is the DDT. So DDT is prepared from chlorobenzene is treated with chloral. On strong heating of this mixture, it gives the DDT. Its common name is P, P dash diphenyl trichloroethane. It is the common name. So the common name of the DDT is P, P dash diphenyl trichloroethane. So then its IUPAC nomenclature. IUPAC name is. So generally this is the first carbon. It is the second carbon. So first carbon with 3 chlorines. So 1, 1 trichloro. It is the second carbon with 2 phenyl groups. So it is 2, 2 bis 4 chlorophenyl ethane. It is the IUPAC name. So first carbon with 3 chlorines, 1, 1 trichloro. Second carbon with 2 phenyl groups, it is the 2, 2. So its suffix is bis. So it is poly compound. So 4 chlorophenyl ethane. It is the IUPAC name of the compound. So generally the properties of this compound is properties of DDT is, generally it is the colorless substance. So generally it is used as insecticide. So its nature is toxic nature or carcinogenic nature. It is highly toxic. It is the highly toxic to fishes. In the water. So these are the properties of the DDT. So DDT is the colorless, it is insecticide, it is a toxic nature, it is the highly toxic to the fishes. So now in this DDT compound, the number of chlorine atoms. Now the question is arises, how many number of chlorine atoms chlorine atoms are present in DDT is it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, it is 4 and it is 5. So the number of chlorine atoms in DDT polyhalogen compound is 5. So these are the polyhalogen compounds. So then after completion of the polyhalogen compounds, generally alkyl halides treated with the ally of sodium and lead. So then for example ethyl chloride, so it is ethyl chloride C2H5Cl ethyl chloride. If you take 4 moles of the ethyl chloride, it is treated with 4 moles of lead and sodium. So it is the ally of lead and sodium. It is the ally of sodium. It is the ally of sodium and lead. Sodium and lead. So now it gives what is, so number of ethyl groups is 4. So then it is C2H5 taken 4. So it is the tetraethyl. It is the tetraethyl lead. It is the Pb. So then C2H5 taken 4, C2H5 taken 4, Pb is the tetraethyl lead. Simply it is denoted with TEL, tel, tetraethyl lead. So then the remaining compound is, so the number of sodiums 4, number of sodiums 4 and the number of chlorines is 4. So then the obtained compound is 4NaCl plus number of lead atoms are 4. One lead is present in tetraethyl lead. The remaining lead atoms are 3. So then ethyl chloride treated with ally of sodium and lead gives the tetraethyl lead, sodium chloride and lead. So generally tetraethyl lead is used as anti-knock agent. Anti-knock agent in petrol. Anti-knock agent in petrol. So it is the tetraethyl lead. So these are the properties of the ethyl chloride.